Welcome back. It's Adam over here at McConnell Chevrolet Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram here in Healdsburg, California, in the heart of Sonoma County wine country. Wanted to go over this 2017 Golf Volkswagen Alltrack, or the Volkswagen Golf Alltrack VW if you like. Make sure you like, give us the thumbs up, subscribe if you're watching us on YouTube, all that good stuff if these videos do help you. Wanted to go over this vehicle. It is a wagon. It is all-wheel drive, so it has more of that car feel on the road, but it has the room of an SUV, so you kind of get the best of both worlds. A little bit lower to the ground, so you have more of a car handling. On the roof there, you do have the rails, so you can put a kayak, bikes, whatever you like right on the top there. There's your all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive badge there. Open up the back. Do have a full cargo space there. You do have the pass-through in the middle of the seats. You have a safety kit. It's going to have jumper cables, gloves, flares, all that kind of stuff. Now under here, you're going to have the full-size spare, jack, tire iron, all that kind of stuff. Now to drop the seats, you do have the two handles on either side, or one on either side. You just pull this handle and it drops the seat right down. You can do it on either side to drop those seats down so that you have more cargo space. And like I said, you have the middle that drops as well in case you have skis or anything long like plywood or something if you want to go to Home Depot. Come around back to the rear here. You do have the child seat anchors on the back. Flip this up. You have the booster seats on either side here. They just clip right in. Put this up. Now you do have the cup holders. And you have the vents back here for heat or AC. Room for your rear passengers. Very sporty. This vehicle does have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Here are your headlights. Flip it, pull them out here, and you have your fog lamps on. Cruise control, volume up and down for your Bluetooth. And then you also have the voice commands. Let's go ahead and hop in. 57,000 miles. Start this bad boy up. You do have heated seats on either side, full AC and heat, and then your screen here will also do Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. You have the airbags in the front, you have the head curtain airbags, and then you also have the airbags in the side of the seats there. So the ones in the seat will protect your ribs and your hip, and then the head curtain will pop long ways all the way in the back to protect the people in the rear in case you get hit from the side or you're about to flip over. Hopefully that never happens, but it's there just in case. There's your voice command, Bluetooth. You do have the Bluetooth audio, little cubby hole down there with your USB or audio jack, 12 volt here. Cruise control, different drive modes, normal and sport and custom, off-road mode. That's nice. Back to normal. Need to put a little fuel in this bad boy. It does have the auto airbag, so 80 pounds of pressure or more in the passenger seat will automatically turn that on. Very nice vehicle, very smooth driving. You need to come drive it to see for yourself. Plenty of other options we can go over. It does have the all-weather mats, just another quick option to show off there. Comes with 2 keys, and it does come with the car dock, 2 years of basic maintenance on the house. Come on down and see us and see this vehicle for yourself. Looking forward to seeing you guys.